doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste audio in Audacity. The first thing you want to do once you're in Audacity, you're going to tap on this icon right here, which is the selection icon. After you have done that, you're going to select the section that you would like to copy. Let's say, for example, I would like to copy the first 6 seconds right here. So I'm going to select it. After you have done that, you can simply right click. Then you're going to see the option copy. After you have copied it, you can go to the section where you would like to paste it. For example, right here, you're going to select that section and you're going to see the cursor has been added. Then you're going to right click once more and you're going to see the option paste, and you'll simply tap on that and you can see that it has now been added. If it is a case that you would like to add it on a separate track, all you'll need to do is simply tap on tracks from the top menu option. Then you could tap on add new track and you can select whether you like a mono track or a stereo track. After you have done that, all you'll need to do is select the section that you would like to paste it. So let's say, for example, I would like to add it right here. After selecting the section, you could tap on paste and you can see that it has been added. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.